So I was talking to an atheist, right? And I love talking to them. We're talking about evolution. And I said, yeah, evolution is in the Bible. God said he created a male and female for them to reproduce after their own kind. Okay, a kind is a family subpart in science. Okay, so a dog, God didn't make a poodle and a Great Dane. Okay, he didn't that. We're not on the ark, okay? But he did make a male and female of the canine kind. And then you have the Felidae kind, okay? What did Darwin's finches turn into, yo? It's still a fucking bird, bro. It's still a bird. They didn't evolve in.
Okay, it's still a fucking, it's a bird.